In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove a workspace member in ClickUp. Before we start, a quick note on permissions. You'll need to be a workspace owner or admin to manage people. If you don't see the options I'm about to show, check with your workspace administrator. First, open your browser and go to ClickUp. Then sign into the workspace where you want to make the change. It's always a good idea to verify you're in the correct workspace, especially if you work across multiple teams, so you don't accidentally update the wrong one. Once you're in, look at the top right corner of the screen for your profile icon. This is where your personal and workspace settings live. Click that icon to open the menu, and then select Settings. You'll be taken to the settings area where you can manage account preferences, notifications, and, importantly for today, your people. In the left-hand sidebar of Settings, find and click People. This section lists everyone connected to your workspace, including active members and any pending invites. If someone hasn't accepted an invitation yet, they'll typically appear under a pending or invited state, which is exactly what we're focusing on here. Now locate the person you want to remove. If your list is long, use the search field to quickly find them. Take a moment to confirm you've selected the correct individual to avoid removing the wrong person, especially if there are similar names. With the right person selected, look for the option to cancel their invite. Click Cancel Invite. This immediately revokes the invitation, so the person will no longer be able to join your workspace using that link or email. If a confirmation prompt appears, confirm your choice to finalize the removal. A few practical tips as you wrap up. Canceling an invite is best for people who have not yet joined your workspace. If the person is already active, you may see options like deactivate or remove instead. Those are different actions meant for existing members. Also consider any tasks, guests, or shared items associated with the person. For pending invites, nothing is reassigned because they never had access. For active members, plan ahead so projects aren't left without an owner. Finally, if you're managing paid seats, check your billing after removal to make sure your seat count reflects your changes. That's it. You've removed a workspace member by canceling their invite in ClickUp. Thanks for watching. And if you found this helpful, keep this process handy for future team changes so your workspace stays clean, secure, and up to date.